Ho! I think I messed up here. What's going on? Yeah, pow 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 pow. Right. Hey, hey, don't talk back to my mom. What's wrong with you? Oh yeah? Yeah? Oh my goodness, what is going on? Oh boy. Oh boy. Stop this. Oh man, already starting the stream off with a with a with a with a bird problem here. It's just little. I would like to have some bird for breakfast tomorrow. Let's look at those indicators. Let's look at those juicy indicators. While my mother is yelling on the phone, which is normal. Oh, I will have to see TJT on that thing and see that rise. You know what I'm saying? That'd be awesome. I would love to see that. Yes. Not financial advice, but we. Oh, let me just switch to. Wait, let me transition to the screen right now. Oh man, that bearish Marabuzu pattern was not playing. Was not playing at all. Look what's happening to SPY futures right now. We're breaking support. We are breaking support. My mother is like holding honey in her hands, and now it's calm. But that's all the bird I say. Cat says hi, honey. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, breaking. I'm breaking. This was what? This was the this was the action throughout the entire day here. Let's see. So it still needs to break around 54.90. So we're gonna see if there is an actual continuation tonight, overnight, and if the SPY is actually going to go into the ground. We are actually seeing as well here. I don't know what this indicator. This is it says RSI MACD. There's other things that I've just been looking into, and this kind of reminds you of triple top, and then crossed over the yellow line, and there's a little bearish signal, and now it's attempting to now diverge or pull back down. Not financial advice. And now we are seeing this play out here. Look at the EMAs. I mean, look at it. It's all like trending down perfectly, aligned with each other, and looks super bearish. Like this is actually going to drop 1% tonight, maybe more than that. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Oh, Native Gamer, what up, dude? Yo, Native, I haven't seen you in like, dude, it feels like a month. What's going on with you? And Johnny, good evening. Yes, I am. I am here. We are here. Eric's here too as well. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome Native Gamer back with some roars in the chat. Everybody roar for yourselves and uh raw for this dump here that we're about to see pretty soon. Some Moontin Do Moon. Yeah, it's I can't even say that. Moonten Dew. You want to drink some Mountain Dew? I sure do. Yeah. Let's see. Continuation and look, we were just you see the Marabozu, the Marubozu candle here that played out here at 7:15 at night, and also here as well at 7:05. So 10 minutes apart from each other with a Marubozu candle. So now we're getting this continuation to the downside. EMAs are looking bearish as hell, and we just can't seem to find a break above the 200-day EMA. Moontang, I want some Moontang pie, but you could literally see it here. Literally trying to attempt. I mean, we did have one around here September 5th. Today. It's September 5th, okay? And we did get a huge break from when, what is this? Am I on the right? Yeah, I am. In the morning time when we had that big push to the upside. And we hit a high of 55.13. No, 55.57. And then dropping back down, all the way down. Massive sell-off into market open, and an hour later, making these lows from 55.75 to 54.90. And that itself, if we measure it, let's measure it. Let's measure it, baby. All the way down. Just like that. That's a negative 1.22% move in just almost 2 hours. You like that? Yeah, like that too. So yeah, that is what we're currently seeing right now. Potentially another bearish move, and waiting to see if it actually breaks 54.90, and that's when we'll have that confirmation. But for now, we're still ranging. We're still ranging from this point here around 11:25 to about 1 o'clock in the afternoon today. And seeing where it's actually going to give in. Like, are you going to give in right now? Are you going to give yourself out and you're going to just drop? I want you to drop. I don't want to see you back up anymore. Spy, you are despised. Okay? You're not wanted here. We want you to fall. We want you to die. And spy rhymes with die, so just die. Not financial advice. Let me tell you something though. We were just like going over this pattern. And I think this was a great find by Kat. So thank you for showing me about the the candlestick pattern called Marubozu. So I think it does help a lot in finding the trend, especially when it's a very, very big candle with no wicks whatsoever, just to further confirm that move. You know, everybody loves tacos. I love tacos. I haven't had tacos in damn. I think I haven't had tacos in I knows how long. Oh my god, why is it so loud? So loud. The only bad thing is that AMC follows the same pattern. Yes. We're gonna go ahead and discuss that again. And we had discussed it yesterday. Okay. Look at all these Marubozus. Look at all of these Marubozu, bearish, bullish, freaking patterns everywhere. It's literally flooded with Marubozus. What was the how do you call it the volume for today? Look at that. The volume was 5.40 million. I still think, yeah. I mean, that's how you can tell it was a pretty crappy day. But more suppression and all that stuff to try to hold this down. But I mean, we did get a little bit of a pick me up, but quite frankly, it's like we went back to where we started when this opened. So um, let's go ahead and let's just do the comparison here. Okay. Okay. And we go to the spy. Oh, let me just transfer all of this over. Bam. Okay. And just look at. I mean, pretty much the resemblance here, right? Here we go. All right. This was all based on what the spy was doing. Native, everybody. And I was just wondering, oh my god, is it tomorrow? Is it tomorrow? Is it tomorrow? This thing is literally just being, in my opinion, managed. This thing is being managed, uh, tracking with the spy almost every single day, and nobody's talking about how it's just tracking with the spy throughout all this time. After when we had that big explosion in May, which you know why that was the case and who was involved and whatnot, and GME being also the factor in why AMC was moving and had that explosion. Johnny says, "All right, guys, it's the time of the day, honey. I'm home. Glad that you got home safe, Johnny. Thank you for stopping by, of course. Much love to you, brother. TGIF. Can you believe it? Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, we're gonna finally have a break from this market to relax and to just clear our heads and go back to the drawing board for next week. So yeah, Johnny, be easy, be safe tomorrow, and let's look forward to a happy Friday. All right, brother. Some music. I gotta play some music here. All right. I think it's the music. We're missing it right now. We need to just turn it back on. So I wouldn't really have to listen much to my mother having a conversation on the phone and overpowering the microphone. I don't know how it's even possible, but I'm pretty sure you all can hear her speak right now. Okay. So Eric, not sure if Eric is back home. Cat, make sure Johnny brings his tacos. That's the last thing he said at 7 minutes ago. Cat, I saw you in here first. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So, with that being said, that's just pretty evident right now that we are just tracking for now. With the spy. And the only way to tell when things are starting to get spicy and hot and intense and filled with volatility and volume, and we end up spiking like crazy. It's probably due to something going on in news, catalysts, earnings, probably something on GME side that influences it please a little bit. And so yeah. So wait, I forgot I had what? Negative 60 cons on ES? Oh wait, does that mean wait, you play futures, native? So yeah, for now, okay. For now, this is the case. This is the case. All right. Look, same thing with GME. All right. We have ourselves the little pop here in the open, then the big drop from the SPY, then the other pick me up here, a little drop, another pick me up here, but SPY ended up flat. So it looks like even though it did mostly track the SPY, for some reason it feels like there was some buying, more volume on GME side, and actually coming back to close 1.22% in the green from where it opened previously. So that, to me, you know what? That's a good thing. As long as it closes green, that's what counts, right? And on top of that, we just revert to the one the one screen here. You could tell that even though it did break over the 200-day exponential moving average, and was brought down by SPY tracking most of the time with it, then having a comeback here and into power hour and ending up breaking back over the 200-day EMA, where it just continued to hover around for the remainder of the day and into aftermarket hours. Duty calls. Wait, what is this? Wait, hold on. What emoji is that? What emoji is that? Yo, what is that? It looks like somebody getting socked in the face. What the hell is that? What's up, duty? But yeah, so In a way, this could be resembled as a nice little either. I mean, look, let's check the 15-minute chart here. We got ourselves a couple of bullish uh candles. So you wonder if oh wait, this is actually, well, this is the 15-minute, and this is actually still under the 200-day EMA. But we're looking to regain back and recoup those losses from today and try to come back over to 2250, 2260. Oh, it's a free emoji. Crowd surfing? Got it. I don't know why it looked like a squirrel getting socked in the face. Not animal cruelty advice. No, I'm joking. Let's go to the hourly real quick. What we see in the hourly though looks a little bit more optimistic and promising here, because we see this MACD here curling back up. We got a crossover. It's converging. Got a signal there. So chances are we could see and look this remember this channel that I had drawn here yesterday? Literally breaking out of that. So now we're looking for an attempt to come back up and see if we got a little let's see, maybe a breakout of this ascending triangle, and again try to head back over 2240, 2260, around there, that range, if bullish. Not financial advice. Oh yeah. So now you guys were talking about DJT, so let me go ahead. Actually, yeah, let's just go ahead and look at DJT. Oh my goodness. Did we not just talk about DJT and the potential for a reversal around this range a couple of days ago? I know Eric, Kevin, myself, talking about it for a good minute, and we look at it from the 24-hour chart, bouncing right off of this zone, which I would call the loading phase. And you can pretty much see it here that it had retested these 52-week lows, well, almost right in between what we had, 16, 17, in this range here. If we go back in time, you see this range here from 18, 17. So yeah, we were literally back to December 2023 lows, and now that we ended up back here, now we ended up very nicely on a 24-hour candle with a juicy green engulfing candle, which leads me to believe that we could be seeing a reversal and $18 break to confirm that and head into maybe the $19 to $20 range into next week, unless there's something that happens next week. And oh yeah, can I everyone in your Discord? Yeah, of course, sure, of course, feel free. Thank you. By all means. Don't forget to show some love to the video too as well. And for us just chilling in here, having these conversations and talking about what is possible with these tickers that we discuss. And as we give an overview of what happened today in the markets. So with that being said, with DJT, we have been pretty much talking about this for a while. And you remember, we were like, oh, so it's going to continue coming down and it's going to eventually bottom out at these lows and go for a reversal. Well, that is exactly what's happening, because now there are some, bullish candles, buying volume coming back in, right? And we're having signs of a reversal right here too as well in the MACD, where now you can see this flat and now ready to cross over and give us that signal for that upside potential. And perhaps we can be able to see some type of reaction to what's coming on the 10th. Next week is the first presidential debate between DJT and Camel Toe. So this is pretty much evident here. Travis, welcome back. It's good to see you here, as always. Back with us in the stream. Much love. Hopefully your day was well. Work was well. Travis, let's freaking go. Let's give a roar in the chat for Travis. Some rockets. We know where we're missing? We're missing some diamonds too. We're missing some diamonds. Let's give everybody eggplant lions. All right. Got yourself some eggplant lion. Would you like some eggplants? I've grown them myself in the backyard. Fresh. But anyways, yeah, here, look, even on the hourly, it's a nice curving trend here. Now the 13 EMA slowly moving closer and closer to the 30 and the 48. And once we have that cross here, the 13 over the 48, that is where things will get exciting and spicy. And from there, we're definitely going to see DJT make a comeback, in my opinion. So let's get in a little closer here, shall we? Huh? I mean, look at this comeback, and especially this huge ass. Well, it's not even stating that it's a Mariposa, but it was just about a little itty bitty close, because there is a little wick here on the bottom, but the candle was just monstrous, like that cucumber that cat just posted on the chat. And it even looks like a cup and handle here. And now the handle is about to break off, and you're gonna see DJT run up and probably see some volatility too at the same time. Not financial advice, right, Kevin? His eyes is all wide open, and oh my God, cat, is that your pepper? So Let's go on and see what bar chart has here as of 5 hours ago. Put in the indicator tweezer top. Is that a trick there, or is that an actual thing? Tweezer top. Oh, okay. Tweezers and kangaroo tail. Let's look at what this is all about. Oh. Tweezers and kangaroo tail. So, the script searches for tweezer kangaroo tail candlestick patterns and shows them as tweezer T and kangaroo tail K. So what are these candlestick patterns? A tweezers pattern occurs when the highs or lows of two candlesticks occur at almost exactly the same level. Both candles must have wicks. Bigger wick / smaller wick rate should not be greater than 150%. 150% by default, and you have an option to change it, which is talking about the settings on this indicator. The first candle must be highest / lowest for the last 5 candles. The level of high for top, low for bottom must be almost lower than 20% of the bigger wick of tweezer candles. The candles can be right next to each other or apart, but not more than 12 candles apart, and 12 by default, and if you have an option to change it. And you will see that tweezers pattern occurs frequently. Kangaroo tail looks almost like a hammer or inverted hammer candle. They have both its open and closed in the top or bottom third of the candle. There must be some space, room on the left of the kangaroo tail. And we just got a cross from the SPY futures, so we're gonna have to check it out and see what's going on. The next candle should create a new high or new low, and you have several options to set details about the room that should be on the left, and also options for wick body rates, and you can see example from below. So this is what they're talking about here. Tweezers are parted. Eric, what the hell? New guy, Eric, welcome to the hell, new guy. What? Hilarious. So this is, let's see what's over here. Okay, tweezers are parted here. It's an example. Tweezer. See how they're both looking exactly the same here, the candles, the 2 wicks. Now here's the kangaroo tail, bullish. This is all the room here on the left. And that tail, that long tail, and everything is just leading up to that, you know? Let's go ahead and see. Let's actually look at that. I don't know if I can actually hit that. Let me see. No, I can't. I gotta have essential for that. I would have to get rid of an indicator here in order to see exactly what Kat is talking about by tweezers and kangaroo tails. I like you too, bro. Thank you for liking this channel, and show some love by liking this stream. Not financial advice. Oh, you're new, huh? Well, let's all give a warm welcome to Eric G and give him a fresh eggplant as a gift and a roar. Show some love. Yeah. Looks like a head and a H pattern. We're gonna go ahead and check that out. And we'll come back to. Well, we're gonna see that. As a matter of fact, hold on. Let's get rid of this for now. Let's go to tweezers, kangaroo tails. Let's see if it does it do it. Okay, wait. Oh, here we go. Let's go to futures here. Oh my goodness, the hourly looks. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, the legend. Eric just upgraded his membership to level 2. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Oof. Eric with a level 2 of the membership. Thank you. Let me get a drink of water here. Oh my goodness. Caliente. Thank you, hermano, for that. And again, thank you for all the support, all the love. Big hugs to you. And much success to us, all of us here, as we all learn together about the tweezers and the kangaroo tails. So listen, I think we're definitely we're looking at some nasty moves here coming up for the spy. Look at this peak here in the hourly, and we had just gotten ourselves a bearish cross here, and now, I mean, look at this. Look at all of this that has to come down. Can you imagine that? We're testing these levels here in the MACD. Look at that. That is insanity. And you see here too as well in the RSI, this thing just crossed under that green line, heading back down, where now it's losing momentum. Let's go ahead and look at the 5-minute chart. All right, and I think this is exactly what we're talking about. This is the tweezer. The tweezer right there. Where's the that's the tail. The red is the tweezer right here. That's the tail. You got that long wick at the bottom. Long wick here at the bottom. Here's the tweezer. Let's see. Where is what? What is this? A tail on the opposite side? Interesting. Okay, now I'm just now I'm just lost. All right, hold on. Maybe let me see if I can choose another one right here. Tweezer patterns. Let's look at this one. Okay. Tweezer top and bottom. Okay. So this only shows the top. It's loading. Anything? Oh man. Momo is new or been gone for years. Oh my god, it's not showing me anything. So let's do. Okay, here we go. All right, we're just using the TV's version of the tweezers. Okay. Cat tweezer top. A 2-candle pattern that signifies a potential bearish reversal. The pattern is found during an uptrend. The first candle is long and green, and the second candle is red. And its high is nearly identical to the high of the previous candle. The virtually identical highs, together with the inverted directions, hint that bears might be taking over the market. There you go. You can see it clearly right here. That's your little tweezer. Again, first candle, long, and then the second candle's red. And nearly identical to where they had, you know what I'm saying? The high, nearly identical to the previous high. This is how you can tell. This looks somewhat like it, but in reverse. So, if you see this happening, and it even gives you a nice little red background there to show you that pattern is actually happening. Everybody thank Kat in the chat for that one, for showing us the tweezer tops. Probably find an innuendo for that later on. The TT pattern, right? Back today, and hoping that we do see the more TT patterns in the way. I mean, on the way in the future. You know what I'm saying? It's a TT time, you know. So, thank you to Kat. Show some love. Yes. Ta-da! Let's see. Okay. Now, this is due to the 50 SMA. Oh, okay. Interesting here. Let me see if we can find another pattern here. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Yeah, there's not much over here. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, tweezer bottom bullish. Here's a bullish tweezer. So here it is, right? Here's the tweezer bottom, where it signifies a potential bullish reversal, and the pattern is found during a downtrend. So when the first candle is long and red, the second candle is green, and its lows are nearly identical to the low of the previous candle. Virtually identical lows, together with the inverted direction, hint that bulls might be taking over the market. And there you go. We have a closer look of this tweezer bottom. But we all know we like some TTs, right? So there you go. There you have it. And then this is the reversal and your uptrend, and the confirmation. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna have to get what's the not essential, pro, premium. Oh my god. So that's that. What are we doing with that? Travis. Oh my god. 100. Thank you, Travis. Oh my god. Can't. Travis with the 100. Is that real? As real as it gets. Thank you. Thank you, Travis. Thank you for the 99 centavos. Y por tu otra vez, Eric G con el 100%. Gracias, mi amigos, por el soporte, el ayuda de ustedes con sus donaciones. Qué grande corazón. Ay, Dios mío. Wait, Dodgers 10-1? Oh my god. You're in the 100 club. Chris Wilson, what's up? Chris in the chat. Give it up for Chris Wilson in the chat. Welcome back. I'm pretty sure you are back from your shift, back from work. How was work? How was your day today? How's everything? Hey, we got eggplants in the chat. We got eggplants in the chat. Cat is liking that eggplant. Cat is liking that eggplant. Duty call. Duty calls with the 199. My guy. Shout out to Duty calls. Let's go. Give me some rockets for Duty calls. Thank you. How does that work but not memberships? What? Wait, what do you mean? Yeah, I don't even know either. Just, huh? How's that even working, huh? Is it actually moving the same way? Hold on. Oh, okay. Like this. I can send super chats, but can't join with iPhone. What? Yeah, how does that make any sense? What's going on? Is this like a new iOS update? Or is YouTube actually really like... I don't get it. I think even Travis had an issue on his iPhone too. We're getting Maribozu a Maribozu pattern here on the 5-minute chart on SPY Mini Futures. Look for C perks. Wait, Eric G, you have an iPhone, right? Am I the only one with an Android? Wow, that's insane. I did not know that. There's got to be some type of error there. I have a Samsung. Samsung. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Can you do? And you changed your name again to what? He changed his name to Simba of all spilled milk. Oh my god, you were just like contentious eggplant parmesan last night or something like that. Oh my goodness. Can you do some analysis on anus and semen? Ticker symbol ANIS and CMEN. Okay. I will do that for you, Simba, my son. DXY here, having a little pump right now. Let's go ahead and find ticker symbol CMEN. Survey says there is no such thing, but there is a cement. Cement. Cementaz, but that's in some other. I think that's the Turkey market or something. I don't know. ANIS that doesn't exist. I'm sorry, Simba. I could not pull out those ticker symbols for you. I'm sorry. It's quite impossible. But thank you. Otherwise, Simba for the $4.99. That was pretty kind of you. Quite frankly, very very sweet of you, my son. Give me a hug. Doing good work day is done, but go back tomorrow night. I have not worked a night shift in years. See how that goes. Yeah, good. I wish you a good shift tomorrow night for sure, man. You let me know how that goes. Hit me up. Let me know how you're feeling, Travis. I know you have trouble pulling out. It's okay, says Simba. Damn, you didn't have to do me like that. Yeah, I smoke, bro. I mean, I got that Kush and Cali Kush over here. Oh yeah. But no, for real. Let's, because we were continuing with DJT here, and oh, whoa, let's make bacon. What the hell? Oh my goodness, what are we watching here? This girl said, "Let's make bacon." They're about to do it on top of the car. So let's see. I wanted to go ahead and check out what's going on here with the news on DJT. So the pros and cons of making money from DJT's unusually active options. Wait, are you? No, this is hold on. Okay, let's see. The calendar says September 5th officially, and it's 61 days to Election Day. But unofficially, it's 2 months to the 2024 presidential election between DJT and Camel Toe. Camel gained the upper hand. I don't want to read about this stuff. The pros of selling the October 4th put. Is Barchar giving us financial advice? Okay, what about the calls? the cons of selling the October 4th put. Okay. Let's read this part here. The challenging part of making this bet is twofold. First, the debate takes place next Tuesday, September 10, and just today, Trump and Camel agreed to the rules for the debate in Philadelphia. ABC will host it, and it will use the same rules as the Biden and Trump debate. In Trump's favor, ABC will mute the microphones so he can't slip up and say something that makes him look unprecedented in front of millions of American viewers. However, the vice president is a seasoned prosecutor, oh my God, who knows how to think on her feet. Right. If she wipes the floor with the former president, there is no doubt it will negatively affect his campaign and, by extension, DJT stock. Not financial advice. Let's see. Secondly, Trump's lawyers and special counsel Jack Smith are in federal court today. Well, they were to determine what happens next regarding the case against the former president for attempting to overturn the 2020 election. He's charged with 4 felony counts, which the special counsel revised last week after the Supreme Court ruled that he had some immunity, quote unquote, from criminal prosecution for, quote unquote, official acts performed while in office. Okay. So, yeah, no. Okay. I think that was the only thing that came out. What a horrible article from Barchart. It's disgraceful. It's, very untasteful. I cannot allow it at all. And Barchart, you're horrible for that. And I'm gonna let you know, I'm gonna win this debate, and I'm gonna show you what DJT's potential has. And quite frankly, DJT is gonna be great again. We're gonna reach high price target levels of $200, maybe $2,000 per share. That's not fake news. It's not, okay. But I can tell you what fake news is. And we're gonna oh my God. The narrative, I swear, I can't really get too deep into that because, I'll get in trouble. But I got it, if Barchart theoretically got into those puts, oh my, you know what? Good luck. Oh my goodness. Good luck with that, because I don't know, in my point of view, and you pretty much see it here happening. Even on the hourly chart, we see a reversal happening right now. And Eric, I was just mentioning this. I was just mentioning you and Kevin and me and even Kat, I think, talking about a reversal here around these ranges. Remember, we were talking about the ranges between 17, 18, around there. And look, enter the zone. This was ranging between 1950 and about below 17. We had reached a low at 9 in the morning. 1671 was the low today. So from there, then we just had a huge candle, take place right around maybe 11 o'clock. Let's go to the 5-minute chart here, where we see this big explosion of bullish momentum here for DJT stock on the 5-minute chart. Okay. We're talking about a low from 1677 to a high of 1775. And I thought, wait, what is going on here? Something is going on here. It's exploding, and then all of a sudden it gets dropped back down for a tiny P and D, but then to later on recover throughout the rest of the day into power hour, into close, into after hours, where it actually surprisingly, and I didn't see this till now, but it actually reached a high of 1785 at around 6:45 p.m. So things are getting a little spicy for DJT. And I wanted to let you guys know that I like this setup. I really do like this setup. I like the way this looks here, even on the 30-minute, where everything is now crossing over each other. The 13 over the 30, and soon to have a 1348 crossover, bullish cross. And if this does continue, then we can definitely blow off 18 and go off to maybe 20, over 20 next week. And as a matter of fact, all of this leading up to the first presidential debate on Tuesday, September 10th, where we could see some volatility, some volume here, trying to pump this up pretty crazy here. In my opinion, of course, not financial advice. I think that this could be, if hopefully the market does not meddle with DGT and the way that it's tracking right now, I would, like to see that this has the potential for a rebound and coming back to those levels there. So let me catch up with you guys here in the chat. Native is like, price has never seen before. Very big, very huge. You've never seen anything like it. We're going to do it first. We're going to be the first ones. And we're going to do it big. Real big. Eggplant size. You know it. I know it. Cat knows it. Everybody knows it. It's huge. Oh, God. So let's see the 15 also with the 200-day EMA here at 1795. So 18 is that price for DJT to break tomorrow. If I go ahead and let's see, I want to look at the max pain for DJT. And as we look at the cost to borrow for DJT, it actually increased a little bit here, and with only 35,000 shares available to borrow to short. So that's the update right now as of a few hours ago. Or actually, no, that's probably just updated too. If you take a look at the options chain and look at tomorrow's expiration, you can see that the max pain for DJT is at $19.50. Can you believe this? Do you see this right now? Can you believe this? $19.50. I mean, what a price! What a price target there. And I kind of like it because we're gonna push this real good. A lot of volume here. A lot of volume. What is this? Cat forgot. Eric forgot Cat's tacos. Simba's like, I think Eric G may be a fan of Soylent tacos. Oh my god. It reminds me of the movie. He's probably in the line, long wait. Are you texting and driving right now? I'm heading out now. Oh my god. Okay. He's heading out to get some tacos now, so be careful. Be careful, Eric. Drive safely. Peggy really inserted today. Oof. Peggy, we haven't talked about Peggy in a while. And I think Maxine, remember Maxine? I think she's way below 10 cents. It just got smoked throughout the rest of the weeks that we've, well, I mean, I think it's been like a month maybe. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I mean, what an interesting thing going on here. Max Payne 1950. Let's see. We'll look at it from Weeble's options chart and whatnot. Let me see. I'm curious about this. Okay, so Max Payne for next week for DJT is 19. For 19. But 1950 for this Friday. I mean tomorrow's expiration. Oh, interesting. So we got a Max Payne for the expiration of the 20th of September at a Max Payne of $22 per share. Wow. How about the 18th? The 18th is at $30 per share. That's the Max Payne for the October 18, 2024 expiration. $36 for the January 17 expirations. Wow, it actually continues to go up. So there you have it. I mean, that's how it's looking for DJT. Also, if we look at the volume and the option, the open interest on these calls, it looks like we have a big spike. We got a lot of volume here for the $18.50 strike expiring tomorrow, with 4,563 volume and 3,613 open interest. And there was a lot, even though Jesus Christ. And this is a small amount of open interest, but a lot of volume that poured in here too for the $17.50 strike and 18, and some for the 19th as well. So compared to that, for the puts, let's see. Yeah, we got some volume here on this side too as well, but I don't know. I'm kind of leaning a little bit towards bullish in my sentiment with DJT, especially the way that it's actually trying to reverse. And just talking about that, I seem to forget that DJT also trades in Robinhood overnight. So we're gonna look at Robinhood, and we're gonna look at what DJT is doing right now on Robinhood on the 24-hour market, because it did close at 1740. Survey says DJT is at 1757 right now. It looks like it's actually trying to make a little comeback here. Can you believe this? So it had dropped to 17. Stop it right now. Damn it, Rico. At 820, it dropped to 1721. Sudden drop. I don't know what that was all about. Then it just spiked back over from 1820. 10 minutes later, back to 1755, and had some couple of swings. But now it's at now it's actually climbing up a little bit more. we just have a little bump right now to 1760. So um, that'd be interesting if it actually starts to pick up overnight, and we get a huge surprise. Um, oh man. Never mind. There is our favorite bird. Wait, I have a bit. I have. Oh, I have not heard the bird. Did you eat it? No. Lion, do you sleep with your bird in the bed? Uh. No, I don't. I think I would have crushed the poor bird by now. Uh. Wow, this is interesting though. So from the 5 minute here, 1760. Huh. Okay. Okay. Seems like we have something going on here. We got something going on here with DJT and the overnight trading hours. Oh, spicy, spicy indeed. So yeah, for those that didn't get that, max pain for tomorrow for DJT is $19.50. All right, so keep in mind of that. That is interesting, right? And actually, look, we even have a nice bounce here. If you notice the 13 is bouncing off the 48 EMA. So that is actually quite interesting for sure. Why is the bird texting and driving? Oh my god. Let's go ahead and check the September 13 calls. Looks like a lot of volume here poured into the $20 strike calls for next week's expiration. They got a decent percentage in these contracts too. Wow. Compared to puts, less volume. Wow, they're both playing. I mean, that's pretty interesting. The 20th. Let's see the 20th. Wow, these strikes go all the way up till 115. Not that it will actually get up there by that date, but the only thing I see that has a good amount of volume is the $20 strike ones too as well, and the $25 strikes. Okay. 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 So there you have it. Let's see. What do you? Oh my god. I agree with Kat. Don't text and drive, and don't drink and drive. Please don't do that. Because I always expect you guys to drive safely and get home safe. None of that. You save the drinking for home. Matter of fact, damn, I even told myself I was gonna actually get a cold one. Darn it! I should have gotten a beer. Not alcoholic advice. So that is for DJT. We're gonna quickly look back into AMC and look what the situation is for that. Again, we already talked about how AMC has been, had been checking with the SPY and GME2 as well. But what are we looking at for AMC in terms of max pain? Let's go ahead and find out. Eric G, if you're paying attention to the road, that is the message from Kat. Don't get distracted here. All right. I know those TTs are in the way, but please don't get distracted. So AMC bumped up a little bit in cost to borrow fees, and now there's only 1 million shares left available to borrow. And the options chain, we're looking at the max pain to be at $5. And it's quite interesting that it's been hovering around $5 for some time. I look at the other chains. The next week's expiration, the September 20th expiration at $5. September 27, we got it at 5. October 4th, we got it at 5. October 11th, we got it at 450. You believe that? October 11th expiration, max pain at 450. So it's actually coming back down here. Then back to 5 here for October 18. 5 again. December 20th. 5 again. January 17. January 17 is $6 max pain. You believe that? March 21st, max pain of 4. Max pain of 4. June 20th of next year, 350. It's actually dropping. And 5 again for January 16, 2026 calls. I mean, options chain. That's crazy. That is insane. That is insane. How would it sound if William was looking for max pain but found T-Pain instead? All right, you guys. So I'm gonna look at the max pain for AMC, and oh, lucky, don't get on my third leg again. It's you're getting it started again, Lucky. Oh, you want me to pet it? Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, the max pain is here now. Lucky, no. That max pain. You're giving me max pain, Lucky. The Bulls are in CJYL. That was for Simba. How was that impression? Look, it's 1765 for DJT. Now we're gonna just quickly look at Simba's got the lotion out. Uh-oh. Wait, the music? No, the music is actually playing. That was great, but you didn't add the T-Pain. No, I was trying to do some type of auto-tune, but I can't do it. Put the lotion on the skin. In GME's case, all right. Hey, don't you dare interrupt me, little bird. Where is the? I'm gonna look at the Marubozu. Marabozito. Bullish. Look at the bullish ones here. All right. So remember, I did put this ascending triangle. So now it has to actually follow this ascending triangle, in my opinion, just hypothetically, where it's been staying within. And now that it's over the 200 EMA here on the 5-minute chart, we need to actually break over 2230. I don't think we want to see GME back to 2150 max pain. What do you think about that, right? Max pain here. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. So the max pain is now $22. Okay, let's do some searching, some DD here. GME max pain. Options charts IO. Let's see. So it seems like it's at 22 now. Did you guys realize that? Wait, what's going on? Wait, native gamer, he gave a loading emoji, buffering. Are we buffering? That bird is your lucky. Wait, native kid, are you able to hear me, or am I loading? Am I buffering? Say word. Say word. Say word to the bird. What is going on? Oh, you good now? Awesome. Okay. So, word. Say word. Hey, it disappeared. What the hell? Man, YouTube, you bugging. So I don't know. I heard somebody else say that the max pain for GME was at 21.50, but now it looks like I'm seeing $22 a share for max pain, expiring with the options expiring tomorrow. I wonder why the change. Did you guys notice this? 22. They want to bring it back down to 22. No, not at all. Volatility skew. Okay. Let's look at another website. Let's summon some people here. Maximumpain.com. Let's see what it says here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. See? Now the max pain, as of 10:03 here right now, created, updated, it's at $22 per share. The highest call open interest is actually the $25 strike. The highest put open interest strike is the $22.50. The call open interest amount is 106,644, while the put open interest amount is at 128. So the last thing I remember was that he had about, what was it, like 6 mil in cash? You guys remember? He sold all his options. He had no more options. Only thing he had was GME shares. About maybe 2,100,000 shares. Let me see. If Arcade posted tomorrow pre-market, oh my lord. I prefer this response. What is... Let's see. Oh, I didn't even respond back. Huh. As of mid 2024, Keith Gill, known as Roaring Kitty, has significantly increased his position in GameStop, and he now holds 9 million shares, nearly doubling his previous stake of 5 million shares. This makes him one of the largest individual shareholders of the company, owning about 3% of GameStop. His portfolio, heavily concentrated in GameStop stock, is valued at approximately $262 million. Wow. As hey Pamela la 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 la, Pamela la 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 la, hey Pamela la 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 la, hey Pamela la 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 la. Welcome back. How you doing? Everybody show some love to Pamela la 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 la. Give her some roar on the chat right now. Hey. Whoop whoop. Look, it's not letting me spam. Are you serious? These are my emojis. Do not take them away. How dare you? There you go. Oh god, I'm happy to see that. show some roars in the chat for yes, say word. And look, Pam, we got some eggplants. Got some eggplants today. Fresh out the garden. And how do you like me as an eggplant? So, all right. So, has he made any? Oh, thank you, Pam. Has he made any other changes to his portfolio? And does he have? Let me see. What are the odds of that? Oh. Wait, what? Look, listen, this is just speculation here, okay? This is just speculation. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome, Pam. But let's take a read of this, all right? Hey, yo, DH. DH is in the chat right now. Say word. Hey, yo. Let's go, DH. Travis is ready for some popcorn. He's ready to eat some for this little movie here. Travis with the 99 centavos. Much love to you, brother. Thank you. Don't worry. Just popcorn ready. Let's go. So, chilling. We're chilling. We're all here together as usual, hanging out. Try to, you know what I'm saying? So, this is based on four websites, 4 sources, right? Again, take it as is. Take it with, So, it says here that Roaring Kitty has recently taken a significant position in Chewy, owning around 9 million shares, which gives him a 6.6% stake in the company. This position is valued at approximately $245 million as of July 2024. His investment in Chewy came to light after a regulatory filing, and the stock saw a surge of nearly 15% upon the announcement, though it has since been volatile. As for GameStop, Gil remains influential, although details about his current exact stake in GameStop haven't been as prominently disclosed recently. He has been known to hold substantial shares, which played a major role in the 2021 meme stock phenomenon. No information suggests that Gil holds a major stake in Petco, Woof, or other similar companies besides Chewy. However, his social media activity, like posting a cartoon dog, has impacted stocks like Petco and Pet Med Express. Really interesting. And as we speak right now, DJT at 1775, now climbing up a little bit more. So I wonder what's happening right now with the stock as it trades overnight in Robinhood. Quickly, also, we're going to get a price check right now on GameStop right now. What are we seeing right now? Right now is at 2020. And yes, Zelly is actually currently sleeping right now. She was awake very late, and she could use a little bit more right now, maybe another hour or two of sleep. Poor thing. So shout out to Zelly. Yeah, shout out to Tan as well. Shout out to Momo. Shout out to Shakira, and J Lo. Shout out to Jesse Julby. And yeah. So yeah. So right now, currently 2220. As we just saw the Max Payne, and we saw it in more than one website, the Max Payne 4 GME is now $22. You hear, guys? But somebody said that it was $21.50. I don't know if that was earlier today in the daytime. I don't know. It must have changed. Still trying to figure that out. So let's go to stockninja.com, and it looks like 22. It's 22 as well. Yeah, so that's interesting. And for those that are just coming back in, the Max Payne for DJT, is actually at $19.50. So there you have it, Eric, Kevin. For those that are into DJT right now, Cat as well. Everybody else here. If you're in DJT, that is the Max Payne, and oh my God, Pamela la 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 a Pamela la 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 a with the level 1 membership. She's oh yeah. Give us some roaring in the chat. Roar in the chat for Pam. Let's go. Oh my God. Love. Much love. Oh my gosh. Listen, I was getting choked up yesterday and the day before, so I'm just listen, this is This is crazy. This is so. Oh my god. You got the perks. The only thing left is for for you to be in our Discord, which is, listen, I could just put you in and you don't have to worry about it. And I'll put you straight up into VIP, where you can look at the stuff that's going on in the dungeon in the Lion's Den. So you know what I'm saying? I would like to give you a little sneak peek. And that's all you're gonna get. But yeah, so but anywho, I'm actually curious about how Chewy is doing. So in terms of Chewy, we're just gonna say for now that that we would like to see GME make a comeback and try to break back over 2230 and try to make its way back to 2240 as that level of resistance there. If we break that, we'll definitely get more push. As long as the SPY does not interfere and track with SPY just like it has been doing, because again, if you missed out, Pam was going over what AMC and Jamie were doing along with the SPY, and it looks like it's just been a bit managed. It's been tracking along with the SPY, so nothing crazy has been happening at all, and all we've been seeing is the suppression with the SPY on AMC, and that's all we can think of right for now, because any movement, and you would see oh, okay. And it looks like, you know what? Wow. So futures is actually climbing back. It actually just wow, look at that. So when you go to the SPY, you can literally see here exactly how this traded in right here. Hold on, I just wanted to show you really fast. Hold on. All right, so you got the where is it? Do it like that. So pretty much the spike up at open right here, and then the drop took the SPY all the way back down, and also AMC. Then we had a rebound back up, then we had this go back down, continuing, or then ended up flat throughout the end and after market hours. I mean, I showed a better example than this, but that's all I could pretty much see from now. But who knows if there is any type of volatility that might happen with AMC tomorrow. Mariposa. Okay. So that's what I'm seeing right now. Let's see. I'm going to wish I had Chewy. Right. Let's look quickly at Chewy. Do I have Chewy on here? No, I don't. How has Chewy been doing so far? Let's go to the 24-hour chart with Chewy. Say word. Hey. Don't get crazy on me. Don't get crazy. Huh. Amy is running the whole market. So, all right. So here's the deal. Um, so it was ranging back then around March throughout, so pretty much throughout January, the beginning of the year, all the way until like the end of May. And remember, around the middle of May was when the whole explosion happened with AMC and GME, and then Roaring Kitty came out posting a whole bunch of memes and stuff, and then GME went crazy, AMC went crazy. Then afterwards, we found out how he took a stake in Chewy. After a while, it does say here that his position here as of July 2024, which is $245 million, over 9 million shares. Here, hold on. So from here at this point, had a big rally, which actually surprisingly, it led to the same date here at July. No, the same month here, July. So from the low of 1644, around $17, all the way to a high of $39.07 by June 27th here. And then from there we had it ranging from 23 to about $30. But it looks like now it's trying to come back down. Look, Pam. It's a jungle. Amy is my best friend. Amy is going to make us all money. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yeah. Pam about to give the blam. I'm doing something. All right. So, oh my god. It looks like, yeah, perhaps he took a temporary position and made some money on the way up. Now he has more liquidity. Maybe he is loading the account for more GME shares. Maybe. Can you imagine that, huh? So I mean, it does look like. Oh my goodness. What is Chewy doing? 2616. 2605 overnight. Okay. Jesus Christ. I do administration of Spankies. Oof. Oh, okay. So in the hourly, it did come down below the 200-day EMA. So Chewy. Oh my god. Oh shoot! I can't. It's also coming close to a death cross here on the hourly, perhaps pre-market at around 6 a.m. where we might have that potential of a death cross to happen, and then Chewy to pull back some more. We're gonna say that the support will be at around 25.40, 25.50. Then the, let's see. Resistance at 2650 around there. So it has to follow around that range. You can see it as I go to the smaller time frames, had it been consolidating throughout that range. And hopefully we'll see where it goes tomorrow. If it breaks below that support, I think it's gonna drop a little bit more. But what are they saying here? Saying Chewy was upgraded to buy yesterday. You will feel better with a switch. Whoa. Zax. Let's see. But here it says 7 days ago the analyst boosts Chewy's price forecast, but says the valuation is a bit stretched. So that might not be a good thing. $26.05 here. Okay. Let's see. What about Woof? I know Eric was into Woof for a bit. Let me see. Are you still in Woof, Eric? Are you in here? Yes, Pam is a girl. Pamela. Duh. Pamela. Pamela is the law. Alright, so Petco had a big surge around May all the way to the month of June. From about 150, I want to say 140, 150 in that range, all the way to as high as 438 here on June 5th. And it had been ranging throughout that time since then around, 430, back down to test the 200 EMA here at $3 and back up again at almost $4. So it's been up and down here. Then decided to take a huge sell-off here from July 31st into August. Big sell-off here from 350 all the way down to as low as 224. And now Wolf is on the climb once again, and it looks pretty solid, honestly, if I can be honest. Just look at the trend here. Overall, you see the 13 EMA here currently back up. You see that 9 EMA ripster cloud here transitioning from bearish to bullish, getting fat and juicy and uptrending. And then going over the 34 to 50, the 200 and so forth. And now we're back from 224 to a high of 312. So I think Wolf is on a path back up. Wolf will be hanging around $3 for a bit. But if this trend does continue, and we do get a little reversal here on the 4-hour chart, you can see it here too as well. We have this line here curling back up. We go to the hourly too as well. The hourly looks pretty solid as well, as it's bouncing off the 200 EMA and having a nice little move. MACD too. The MACD is also having a nice what do you call it? Looks like a inverse head and shoulders and resemblance. So who knows if this is what it's gonna look like, you know? And oh wait, what is that? Sorry about that. Espérate. Coño, espérate. Give me 1 second, guys. Guys and gals. Be right back. Yeah, I gotta. Oh, Travis with the 100. Oh my god. You want to see line? Oh, you want to see the bird? Oh, actually, you know what? I'll post it on the Discord. You guys want to see the bird? It's a love bird. Oh, Pam. Thank you. Much love, much love. Here's the birdie. Uh-huh. It's a lovebird, Rico. Is that the same one that Momo has? He's peeking. He's yeah. Ooh. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Okay. Okay. All right. My granny's parakeet used to fly and say, "Help me, Dochi. Help me. Help me, Dochi." Oh wow. I love to. I want. I would love a talking bird, but I honestly, yeah, this lovebird here, don't know. It's cute and all, but it's too noisy for my taste. I'd rather have one of those Quaker parrots. You've one of these Quaker parrots. Let me show you. Ooh, never get a Quaker parrot. I mean they're cool too, but goodness gracious. I'm getting a bird that says AMC to the moon, let's go. Give him chili pods. Chili pods. Wait, what? Oh my god, you really want me to feed him these? Oh my goodness, what? For birds? Chili pods for birds to eat? Let's see. Yes, birds can eat chili pods, and they can be a good source of vitamins and minerals for them. Birds and chili peppers have a symbiotic relationship. Birds eat the fruit of chili peppers and then disperse the seeds in their droppings. This helps the pepper plant spread its seeds, and the seeds are more resistant to fungal infections after passing through a bird's digestive system. Holy crap. You serious? Birds are not sensitive to capsaicin. Birds don't have the same sensitivity to capsaicin as mammals do. So capsaicin doesn't irritate their mouths, eyes, or digestive tracts. Birds are attracted to the color red. Mmm. Birds can't taste spicy food. Chili peppers are a good source of vitamins and minerals. That is crazy. Wow.
Picky pancakes, picky pancakes, picky pancakes, picky pancakes, picky 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 picky. Picky pancake, picky pancakes, picky pancakes, picky pancakes, picky 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 picky.
Yo. Oh my god, I actually love that video. Oh my god. Where is he? Make him big. Alright. Hey, can we actually like hold on. Come on. Play it.
Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes.
Oh my god. Oh, oh really?
Pancake, bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, bacon 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 bacon.
Whoa. Oh my god. That was adorable. The way it was dancing. Birds waking you up at 6 in the morning. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that bird was a Quaker parrot. They're more tropical also. But you know what's really funny is that they actually, I've seen a lot of them here in New York. And they're pretty loud. You can hear them far away. And I've seen nests here in those big light posts. And it'll be a huge nest, like, and they'll like made a whole bunch of babies and stuff, and I'm like, wow, I didn't even know they. I really thought that they were like more down south, like Florida, around those areas, but yeah, for some reason they're up here too. So. Let's see. Okay, so we already got Wolf. Wolf could be another one that will start trending back up and probably head back to like 350 around that range. We'll place it here. You know? You making babies in here? Oh, in the nest. A cuckoo. They say cuckoo kajoo. That's the sound they make when they cuckoo kajoo. Oh my goodness. I did not know that XRP was back down to 54 cents. This thing has been downtrending here. XRP, you're looking mighty fine. From me, what do you see? Also, I gotta get that cold storage wallet too. I need the one that Eric was talking about. The one that you were talking about, Tangent wallet. I want to be able to tap the card and load up my coins and stuff, you know. Could you Choo. So XRP at 54 cents. XLM at under 9 cents. Let me see. We go to crypto. What do we got going on here? Doge is at just under 10 cents. Flare is at a penny and a half. H bar is at just under 5 cents, at 4.847. Jasmy is at almost 2 cents. Link at $10. Matic is 37 cents. XTC, where's XTC at? Tezos at 62 cents. Where's XTC at? Wait, I think it's on the other one right now. Oh no, XTC is still, I mean, barely. XTC is like in this range for a while. Looks interesting, actually. Still at 0.026. Bing X listing September 4th. Bing X will list XTC network with the XTC USDT pair. When a major exchange like Bing X lists a new asset, it often leads to increased visibility, liquidity, and trading activity for that crypto. This could potentially drive XTC's price up as more traders start buying and selling it. Not financial advice. However, the actual impact will depend on market sentiment and wider crypto trends. Alright, so we got a little bit more exposure for XTC as it gets listed on Bing X. I've never heard of Bing X, but pretty interesting there. ISO 20022 coins, XLM, XRP. Those two are like the major ones right now, for sure. Fishy in the house. Fishy. Lion rockets for Fishy. Let's go. Rockets in the chat for Fishy. What a fam. What a fam. Yes, yes, yes. What's up with you, Fishy? What we got going on in the house? What's up? How you doing? How you doing? Let me just read this back up right now. Tap that card one more time. Let me tap it for you. Just like that. Oof. Tangem. Okay, Tangem tap. Alright, I gotta write this down again. I missed those coins. Last bull run was so fun. Yes, the one for 2021, especially Shiba. Oh my gosh. I actually took advantage of that run from Sheeb. Oh my goodness. I think it was like 5 zeros and 705. And then I think just ripped, it lost a zero, and I was like, oh my gosh. 10x the money. I think I had put in like 200 and change, and then I think I was up almost like 2K from there, so that was definitely fun. Especially Dogecoin too as well. Oh my goodness. But I think we're definitely gonna see that type of scenario again soon, you know, once everything just, you know, starts piling into crypto again. Especially XRP, XLM. Luna was fun, but Luna was crazy at the same time. Like, where is Luna anyways? Let me see. Was it Lunk? Goodness gracious. Ay, Dios mío. Oh, at 0407666. Oh, wow. Okay. It looks like it. Conchale, nah. It's crazy. Looks like it's back in the range from November of 2023. So it had established a bottom here. But what is the future of Luna? Three arrows. Oh, so last month, Three Arrows sues Terraform Labs for 1.3 billion over Luna's market manipulation. Oh, the crash that happened 2022. It went to over 100. They had split it. They had split. God, yeah. Christ. Yeah, adiós, sí. Adiós. Adiós. I think this was. I really don't know what happened, but even Terra Luna, no, you know what happened? I think they had a split. They had a split from Luna Classic and then Luna, and from there that's how the price just changed after a while, because they had to split the amount of coins and the amount of price. So it's like a reverse stock split in a way. Oh, fishy with the fishy with the membership, the gifted. Mike Nixon. Who's Mike Nixon? Interesting. Well, shout out to Mike Nixon. Fishy just gifted him a membership. And shout out to you, Fishy. Much love, brother. Thank you. Thank you for that, man. Oh. Roar! Spam the rockets for Fishy. Show some love for the eggplants. Wait, speaking of fishy, we need a also take a look at. Wait, hold on. Oh, that was the big drop, right? That was the drop on the 26th. Honestly, Pin Duo is still looking a little weak here. P Diddy, not P Diddy, PDD. Let's see. Shares likely range bound as investors seek catalysts. Uphold. Shoot. And Affirm too as well, right? So their price target got cut from 185 to 160 by Daiwa from China. And it looks like, yeah, Pinduoduo is it's having some higher lows and looking like it wants to lose $90 from here. Huh. So if we look at Pinduo, it looks like TJT is also coming out just a little tad bit. Pinduo is at 92.51. So it was actually at 91.06 at 11:45 in the morning. Climbed back up while the market was rebounding and recovering. Stayed flat, and now it's at 92.51. Closed at 92.68. 92.51. A little small gap fill there to around 90, 89 and 90. Interesting, right? What we got? Yeah, this hasn't been able to make a comeback at all. And Duel is just staying in that range between 90 and 92. So no bueno. Travis is out for the night. Guys, show some love for Travis once again. And thank you for everything. Thank you for being here. Always a pleasure. And hope you get some good sleep. Let me know how that night shift goes. And be safe. All right. TGIF tomorrow. TGIF. It's finally going to be Friday. I can't wait to take a break from this insanity that is the stock market. Oh my gosh. Say word. I love it, man. Love you, man. Be easy. Be easy. Oof. Where is okay. Respectively, I just noticed that a couple of tickers that I've went over, they've all been reaching 52-week lows. Small caps. So since Hollow, and this is for Fishy. I don't know. Are you still in that, Fishy? Are you still in Hollow? Because it looks like we have been able to retest a bit here. The last support at around 30 cents, within that range between 30 and 32 cents. The last time we hit that was a couple of weeks ago, around here. And then everything from that surge, and then coming all the way back down to this point, it looks like it's trying to establish a bottom as well. Hollow. Oh, okay. Now we gotta just make sure of that. You gotta make sure of that, because it does look a little heavy here on the 4-hour chart. Whereas we see that there had been a cross a bearish signal here, and it's actually trying to come back down to this level in the MACD around -9. And if it can actually respect that and bounce back up, you'll see somewhat of like a double bottom. Perhaps we could see a reversal from here, because you can see as we get smaller, when we get into the smaller time frames, you see it is just consolidating at that point. So from there, it starts to head back over 33 cents, and then the 13 EMA starts to curl up as well. We can see a nice little bounce back for sure. So hollow, real quick, I'm just looking at Fintel data, the short interest. It looks like off exchange short volume ratio at 60.09%. With just a short interest ratio of 0.16 days to cover. Short interest of the float 7.60%. Only 7,500,000 shares available to short, with a cost to borrow fee of 14.67. So that is for tomorrow. Will it have some effect on hollow tomorrow? Will it stay suppressed, or will it actually bounce? That is the question. That is the question there. If we look at the 24-hour chart on hollow, we gotta literally zoom in to see this. So I feel like make a little small adjustment here. So the last 52-week low was 28 cents. So you got around that range, 28 to 30 cents, as that last level of support. If it were to continue, that is. But if it actually holds up and it starts to break right above 32, 33, that is what's most likely going to happen, and then we'll see a return, a surge in volume and price action to come right back to the upside. And we'll see if next week could be a green week for hollow. Not financial advice. I looked at the chat, and you guys are talking about KuCoin. Let's see. In the meantime, while I look at Uphold. Wait, what is it again? What? Wait, hold on. Oh, Uphold. Wait, why am I looking at... I don't know, for some reason I was talking about the... Why? Okay. I don't know how. Calls on Uphold. Uphold is strict on what? On KYC? I used to do KuCoin, and that's how I traded Sheeb. But before the KYC, on the VPN and the Trust Wallet, I used to have Trust Wallet. I mean, I still do have Trust Wallet. I remember the Safe Moon saga. But Trust Wallet was just so bad with the gas fees. I stopped using it. I was like, no. It's too expensive. You got to be rich to transfer coins through that wallet. But that was horrible. How they just like decided to get strict on KYC verifications and stuff like that for KuCoin. I was so happy using that. I made a couple of trades in there too as well, like Jasmine and Sheeb. And Luna too. Luna. Bytecoin. Bytecoin. Byte. If you're talking about this one right here, Bytecoin is at 3 fractions of a penny. So 3 zeros, 2406. Looks like it has been trading, but somehow on a downtrend. Kind of similar to what Bitcoin is doing too, in a way. Let's see. Can you make a trading bot on KuCoin? I heard about that too. Yeah, trading bots. Let's see. I got my like yearly statement from them, and because of those bots running so many trades, I had like 2.5 million volume traded. What? Never had more than like 10k in their max, though. Like it was legit. Wow, less than 2 grand. Yeah, they were definitely easy to chart. Honestly, it was definitely easy to chart. I like the. It was like Trading View in a way, and I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, you might as well just make a KuCoin for the States. You want to go ahead and do that KYC verification crap, like. But I mean, that's not gonna matter because like we already have like other things that we can get XRP from, or any other coins, altcoins, you know. What is going on here? Oh. Speaking of coins, Bitcoin here too. Bitcoin has been looking a little weak here, and it had cut through the 200-day EMA, had bounced off this trend line and started to trade right under the 200-day EMA. Now just slowly like downtrending slowly. With a couple of swings here and there, which is kind of moving with the markets too as well, not for nothing. So it's time to know your customer and just make sure that you're not anybody that's trying to scam or do anything suspicious and trade Bitcoin in the black market, or do this and that, do that. So see that? SPY futures still ranging here, but looks like everything is starting to cross over. We got ourselves a bullish cross right here that happened as of 10:20, as of an hour ago, and slowly climbing right back up. Looks like we might be recovering just a little bit. The retest here at 555.13.75. And maybe some recoveries here. U.S. futures wobble ahead of key jobs report. That's 2 hours ago. So U.S. stock futures fluctuated on Friday as investors geared up for the highly anticipated August jobs report that could affect the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision this month. How? Really? In extended trading, Broadcom dropped 6.7% after issuing a fiscal fourth quarter revenue that fell short of market expectations. We were just talking about Broadcom yesterday too. Wow. Let's see. Healthcare, industrial, and financial stocks were the biggest laggards, while consumer discretionary communication services and technology stocks outperformed the market. Okay. Shoot. The conflicting data, which also included a drop in jobs openings, contributed to concerns about a potential recession and the Fed's approach to rate cuts. Interesting. Let's see. I try using BTCC and it's saying I can't because I am a US citizen. KYC. I have Trust Wallet. I just add mine and add to them. Fees paid with KuCoin Coin too. I don't know another app like that for us. Coin. Oh yeah, Coin. Yeah, that's interesting. Fees paid with the KuCoin coin token, or yeah, which I didn't actually know about at all. It's actually pretty interesting. I didn't really use KuCoin to that extent to actually try to use their other features or staking and all that stuff, APYs. But the fact that like they allow people to do that and use their KuCoin tokens to pay for the fees, Coinbase needs to kind of jump on board with that and get them with the program. I think if I'm not mistaken, was KuCoin's APY about like 8%? I think it must have been like 8% or I don't know. It was high around that time. I think the last time when I was messing with KuCoin. No. Let's see. Coño. It's oh my goodness. I think they paid us to hold it. Maybe Smart Earn. KuCoin Earn now has a Smart Earn feature to help you swiftly choose potentially suitable products. Would you like to try it out? Let's see, where is it? Oh, wait, what? 1.93%. Oh, wow. With the USDC runs anywhere from 0.52% to 300. What? You watch Dodger games with VPN? What? No way. Oh, QCC. Wait, where is it? Was it it was staking, right? Simple Earn. The highest one for now Oh wow, it's sold out. Kusama KSM 6%. Oh shoot. Oh my bad. Shh. Not financial advice. Shh. Wait. We can't explain that. We can't talk about that right there. Can't talk about that right now. Stop it. Due to legal and regulatory requirements in the US, please kindly note the services of your account might be restricted. Please verify your identity information through KYC. Ah. Climbing up again? Yeah, we are. What is the plan here? Oh. FFIE. You like to watch Dodgers? You're talking about the baseball game, right? Why are you can't just watch it on regular TV? Oh my god. Ooh, Pam, what you peeking at? Oh, crossover. LA Dodgers. There's I mean, you can just go to like one of those like websites that, you know. Really? They charge you an arm and a leg just to like to watch through their service, their app. It's unbelievable. That's the next the future of streaming services here. Charging an arm and a leg just to look at you know, all these brands. Oh my god. I don't know. Yeah, I don't even watch TV either. I just stick to what I watch here, and anything on YouTube, and that, you know, that might be informative or something that's going on. I go to x.com too. I just can't stand TV anymore. I can't watch it. I mean, if it's a good movie, maybe, you know, but right now there's too much basura on TV that I just can't deal with. I can't do it. So I definitely agree with you, Pam, on that. FFIE. Could be another P&D. We already have 2 attempts here. That FFIE tried to break over the 200 EMA here in the hourly, and they just failed. So they might be heading back around the $4 range. Maybe a little, you know. Sloping down slowly. Yeah, what is that? What does that stand for? Victor Peter Nelson? Is that what VPN stands for? Victor Peter Nelson. Oh, I've heard of that before. Yeah, that's a mighty fine band, for sure. If you haven't watched it in a few years, you'll see why. Oh. The programming is just horrible. And then what they're all just trying to push as well is just ridiculous. I can't. And movies? Oh, I'd rather just stick to classic movies and just watch old school things. Um, let's see. What is FFIE looking like right now? Deef. Wow. Okay. Oh, really? Now, hold on. Let me look at the 15-minute. Oh, but it looks like it's all curling back down. Like it's all facing back down to like $5. Gotta see what happens tomorrow. Because here, as of 3 hours ago, for FFIE, there's no more shares available to short. And the cost to borrow actually just it went up from 31.22% to 46.60%, with a max of 47.45. Crazy. So we'll see if this has any type of effect when pre-market opens on FFIE Faraday. Let's do a quick price check on GameStop. 22.20. Now GameStop is at 22.21, so not much of a big move. The SPY. Let's look at the SPY on the 24-hour trading, 24-hour market. SPY actually bouncing back from 547. So SPY was at a low of 547.37 at 9:10, so just 2 hours ago, and now recovered back up to 549.25. So again, it could be ranging between 549, 550 to 547 for a bit. Is there anything happening tomorrow? Okay, so at 8:30 you got. Okay, so you got average hourly earnings month over month, year over year, average weekly hours, government payrolls, manufacturing payrolls, non-farm payrolls, which is pretty much an employment report released monthly, usually on the first Friday of every month, and heavily affects the US dollar, the bond market, and the stock market. Current employment statistics program from the U.S. Department of Labor Bureau of Labor Statistics surveys about 141,000 businesses and government agencies, representing approximately 486,000 individual work sites, in order to provide detailed industry data on employment, hours, and earnings of workers on non-farm payrolls. So we got that going on there. The forecast is at 160K prior to it being 114K last month. Then you have payrolls that are in private, participation rate, U6 unemployment rate, which is the unemployment rate that includes total unemployed plus all persons marginally attached to the labor force plus total employed part-time for economic reasons as a percent of the civilian labor force plus all persons marginally attached to the labor force. And then you have unemployment rate here, which measures the number of people actively looking for a job as a percentage of the labor force. So prior, last month was at 4.3%. The forecast for tomorrow is for 4.2%. All right. Then you have somebody from the Fed talking. Williams at 8:45 in the morning. Then Waller at 11 in the morning. And that's about it, pretty much, for events. Pam says, if you know you're being programmed, that's different. Yeah. Jesus Christ. So loud. So loud. God. So... let's see what's going on. SQQQ closing at 9 on the dot there. Oh, when did I do this? Huh? When did I do this? Did I do this last week? I must have did. Oh, it's honey. Not Pepe. What? It's not even Rico either. Because I did not take Momo's bird. Her name is Honey. Pepe. Huh. I'm looking at this right now. Let me see. Oh, wait. Whoa. Do you guys remember when I did this? Was this last week? I'm so confused. You know what? Sometimes I need to remember to like write down exactly like when I do things. Or if not, you know what I should do? When I do things like this, like you know, mess around with bars patterns, I gotta put here, a date, and be like, I did this on the 29th of August. Monday was Labor Day, so there was no way that I did that on Labor Day. So it must have been last week, right? That's insane. So hold on, let me... Okay, hold on. Let me just move this up a little bit. It actually did kind of take sort of a similar trend here. Wow. Let me kind of go like this. Oh, hold on, a little smaller. A little bit more. Huh. Okay. Well, it looked like it kind of tracked a little bit here. Tuesday night, maybe. Because here it looks like it was... It must have been. Yeah, it must have been somewhere between Monday and Tuesday of last week. And, huh. Okay, I'm gonna... You know what? I'm just gonna put it here. Put this 9-5. I think it's really good to just do this because you're pretty much documenting it, and just in case if you need a reminder and not look back at what stream it was that I did it on, I'll just literally put the date right next to it. Hold on. Get a little bigger. I think that's a good idea. If you're doing charting too as well, I think it's very important. I think to definitely date the what you do too as well. and document things that happen. I mean, this is just me messing around with bars patterns, but just imagining if that was the case scenario. And what's actually funny is that this is literally leading up to this is the Federal Reserve interest rates here. So interest rates. So leave it around here. So NFA, all right, can't really, predict things based on bars patterns, but if it were to play out, man, that would be crazy. And we'll see SQQQ back around testing the 200 EMA here in the 24-hour chart at $12 a share. That means the SPY, let me see if it made this move. 549, no, 547, 546, 545, 540. I think the SPY would have to drop back down to like maybe 540, from 530 to 540 for SQQQ to be back at 11 to $12. I'm just making a guesstimate here. Yeah, I definitely see that. I'm gonna save it. Okay. Let me then lastly check. Okay, it looks like precious metals here. Look at the 4-hour real quick. I think precious metals are making a small comeback here. You got gold here too as well. Wow, look at that trend on gold. Oof. Looks like it could pop back over 25.20. And silver, you try to retest the 200 there at 28.80. Try to get back to 29 an ounce. Speaking of commodities, oil. Looks like oil has been dropping. And it actually broke under this level of support around 69.76. Now at 69.18. Man, the gas at the pumps it's actually gonna be, you're gonna be paying less for gas for now. Which means these other stocks here are also dropping. So for example, INDO here. INDO, if let's say oil continues to go on a downtrend, maybe go back to like $67 a barrel, maybe you'll see INDO hit around 280. Around 280, around that mark. We got a range between 250 and 280 here the last time we were in this range, which was back around July, June and July. But let's see. I still, you know what? I still see some potential here for INDO. I am now at 309. I drive Oh, okay. So 359 was the norm, and so it dropped to 309. Wow. I make yeah, you see that's the pro about it. That's the good thing about it, you know, because if you're out there, you know, grinding, hustling, doing you know, delivery or anything like that, like, you know, for now it saves a lot more money for you, you know, to spend on gas when it was at 4 and 5. Um, but who knows how long this would actually last until something else happens, you know. Um, so apparently they are edging a little bit lower. Let's see. Oil set for a sharp weekly loss. And so if you read here, it says crude is poised to decline sharply over the week due to demand concerns for major oil markets. And recent data from China and the US revealed weakness in their manufacturing sectors, heightening fears of slowing demand. Additionally, potentially increases in oil supply from Libya added downward pressure, following signals that political factions in Libya are nearing an agreement. I remember we talked about this yesterday. However, some relief came from an unexpected large drawdowns in U.S. crude inventories. EIA data showed that U.S. crude stocks fell by 6.9 million barrels last week, significantly exceeding market expectations of 1.1 million barrel draw and marking the 9th consecutive decline in oil stocks over the last 10 months. Furthermore, crude prices received support after OPEC Plus decided to pause its planned crude production increase for the fourth quarter. So how are we looking like right now on the 5-minute chart? Looks a little flat right now. Just consolidating around 69. So let's see. $10 to make 100. $10 of gas. Cat. Cat's taking a cat nap right now. We all need to try to find a balance and try to find a good sleeping schedule for sure. Wait, who was talking about Oxy yesterday? Somebody was talking about Oxy yesterday. Was it you? IMPP. Barely any volume whatsoever. HUSA climbing back to $1. ENSV seen a decline as well, so not good. MARP's at 396, TPET at almost 19 cents, following the same trend as oil, as you can see it here. This is mind you, this is how it's all tracking alongside with it. So should I say, see how it all tracks with it? INDO. I kid you not. INDO. I've been thinking about INDO for a while. So Oh. Wait, hold on. Oh, oil just got a pop. Oil just got a pop right now. So I'm closely looking at INDO. In case perhaps maybe entering a position, maybe. Cause I mean, look at INDO from the weekly, the weekly here. Crazy, right? What a crazy chart here. We got a little touch here. Everything's climbing back up. I just wonder. I wonder. So I'm gonna keep an eye on yeah. This looks like it could be a long for sure. Got a rebound on the 5-minute chart here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm tempted. I don't know why. So tempted. And then build up from there until oil decides to rebound and start going back up. Because imagine if oil goes back to $80 a barrel or 90, where these stocks could go back up to. All right, we could talk more about this on Discord for sure. And then, oh wait, what did I do? Oh shoot. Wait, did I? Oh shit, I took it off. Oh, and I, damn it. Oh. No. Oh no. No. I said the S word. No. No. Don't demonetize me, please. No. So, INDO on Fintel, which I looked into, I think yesterday, had a short interest of 923,170 shares, with a short interest ratio of 2.43 days to cover and a short interest percentage of the float at 19.36%. Only have 100,000 shares left available to short as of 15 hours ago. And the cost to borrow actually dropped a little bit from the max of 103.88% to 81.08%. This Discord, wait, so we should make an oil section then, right? A little oil channel. I feel like we're gonna have a whole bunch of channels in there. Let's see. Like a section. I see your DMs, so I'm gonna read it, and then I'm gonna respond to you afterwards, and let you know about that. So let's see. Off exchange, 46.95%. Off exchange short volume ratio. This looks pretty crazy there. Oh. SPY's dropping back down again. I'd be interested in oil too, for sure. But also, like, you know, if yeah, oil, and I was gonna say Oxy because, you know, we've known about Warren Buffett's position in Oxy, and a big one too. As a matter of fact, hold on. Conversation not found? What? I said not found. That's funny. Oh, because I gotta start a new one. Precious metals? Yes. So remember also I think, oh my god. Oh shoot. Damn. EXK, remember that one that we were talking about before? EXK. Where are we at here? It actually came back up to $3 a share from a low of 276. So let me see. Go to the daily right now. Interesting. Kind of looks like a. Let me see. Okay. Yes. I like this. I like it a lot. Looks like a big W here waiting to form. But this is actually pretty interesting here. Let's see. Silver miners rise as the U.S. dollar weakens here 13 hours ago. Okay, tracking rising prices of the metal. There's Hecla mining and core mining. Okay. HL. That's the other one right there. Let's see. HL, Hecla mining. Wow, look at that range. Jeez, look at these swings. And you get dividends too. You get oh, what the hell? That's nothing. You got a fraction of a penny in dividends. Oh, and then you get a penny there. 430, almost 6, 463, 630, 475, 635, 440, 630, 528. Yo, these swings are crazy. Holy crap. Bam, 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 bam. Like literally just swinging like that. And it's all been swinging above the 200 as well, so yeah, dude, like freaking Shenlong from Dragon Ball Z. That's insane. But this here, and I remember I had this bar here for a while, so I was thinking maybe that it would actually try to retest the low here, 246 through 50, around this range, and then come back up. And it looks like it's actually holding up pretty well here. It got a reversal and everything. I think I had here, not mistaken, I actually did an alert. I did. Yeah. You saw it. Yeah, this was yesterday. This thing was like 30 cents a pop. I'm not sure if it's still the same. Let me see. Let me go ahead and look at EXK. February 21st for the $4 strike. Looks like there's some volume here for the 7.5. But there's no bid. There's no bid yet, so sometimes I don't like it when there's no bid. But I don't know. $4 strike. Yeah, it's still at 30. It's still at 30. It still has decent delta and gamma. Very nice. Wow, the open interest on the $5 strikes for November 15 is huge. 16,960 with a volume of 69. Ooh. Oh, interesting. So it's barely empty here on the October 18th, but there's definitely a huge amount of open interest here for the November 15th. And there's volume here too as well for the February 21st. Some open interest here and high in there. Okay. Very nice. I like it a lot. Oh, Jesse. We were shouting you out, Jesse, earlier. Are you ready for your 2-hour shift right now? Some roadside assistance. This is OnStar. How can I help you today?
I'm left in the car on the side of the road and I have a flat tire.
So, I'm gonna write this down for sure. If you could take a look here, also, I just noticed the 13, the 30, and the 48 here actually trying to curl right back over. Trying to curl back up. Interesting.
Help, my car has flipped over and I can't get out.
Remember that commercial?
I've fallen and I can't get out.
Life alert. Is the mic on? Yeah. The mic is on. Why? Did you hear Jesse? Roadside assistance, may I help you? This is OnStar. Is there something going on? Okay, we're gonna get emergency vehicles right now on the site. Alright, so stay there. Don't do anything, okay? We're gonna get there and everything's gonna be okay, alright? Don't panic, it's just a flat. It's just a flat. It's just a flat, alright? You're okay. You're okay. Alright, we're gonna get some assistance for you. Wait, who's that? Oh my god. Do you think I'm ready for roadside assistance? For customer service? Do you think I'm ready? Is that Momo? Oh my god, is Momo's mic on? No, Eric, it's not Momo. What are you talking about? Stop it. Oh boy. But anyway, I'm so ready. Oh my god, let me stop. Artist of Teals. Oh my god, what did I enter into? Hello, Artist of Teals. You asked for some road assistance. I got you. All right, don't worry about anything. It's just a flat tire. Okay, you're not hurt or anything, but if you need some assistance, I can call the ambulance for you. Oh, it's okay. You're gonna be fine. Okay, it's gonna be fine. Oh my god. I think wait. I'm bugging. Everybody. And that's the reason why Jesse, that's the reason why I made this emoji saying you bugging. Hey, you bugging. Lion, you bugging. Cause I'm bugging. It's that time of the night again when I'm going all insane. Showing some love to Artists of Teals. Back again. How you doing? Yo, son. You mad illin', son. Oh my god, I think the bird is like talking to himself. Oh my god, Jesse. Oh my goodness. Let's freaking go. Jesse with the membership. And I hear Honey mocking me right now. The bird is mocking me. The bird is actually mocking me right now. Jesse, thank you for the membership. Let's go. Shout out to you. You can now give me the official you bugging emoji when I go crazy, because obviously it's almost that time and it's midnight in just 1 minute. I be bugging. I really be bugging. I do have more emojis on the way, so if you guys and gals have any suggestions, I will be able to take them for you. As you can see, we do have now a eggplant emoji. All right, so it's Lion holding an eggplant in his hand, and also an emoji of Lion as an eggplant, thanks to Fishy Friend's suggestion. Eric, I believe Eric G was the one that suggested the you buggin'. And Sayward was Travis. Was Sayward Travis? You got the crash emoji. If you notice, there's a lion eyes in between the big red arrow, and then on the side there's two claw marks, slash marks, and then you got the roar. So, you know, equivalent to hype. You know, if you know what I'm talking about. This is my version of hype. It's a roar. So, roar in the chat if you're feeling crazy, if you feel hype, if you feel excited. I might have to get an angry emoji. I don't know. You guys let me know, and I'll be able to produce the emojis on Canva. But again, Jesse, much love to you. Thank you. And yeah, have fun with it. You know, and you're ready. You're ready in the Discord, so you're to me a VIP. You're everything at this point. Meow if you're feeling frisky. Meow. So wait, hold on. So should we do a meow as well? Let's write down these suggestions here. Meow. And Artist of Teals. I want to know how Artist of Teals is doing. We need some blue and green hearts for Artist and Teals. Show some love to Artist and Teals as well. So we're just currently discussing. We've been through a lot already in the stream. We've been on here for 3 hours. Time flies. But we're just discussing the potential outlook on precious metals and oil. And we've been looking at this specific ticker for some time, and there is an interest here for sure. And how I get credit for this? How do we get fishy? We're gonna put fishy next to the eggplant as a form of credit. Oh, what the heck? So if you see an eggplant emoji, just think of fishy. So Endeavor Silver Corp, with a short interest of 12,453,720 shares, short interest ratio of 3.51 days to cover, and a short interest percentage of the flow of 5.07%. Off exchange short volume ratio, get this, 72.57%. That is massive. That is masivo. Line for president number 1. No. Oh, Eric G. Eric G, dear. Eric G. Eric G. Boy. If I'm president, all of you are my vice presidents and cabinet and Senate and Congress and all of that. All right, Eric, you already know. You already know the usual, man. Be well. Take care of yourselves. Don't eat too much in and out, like Johnny. Be safe. TGIF tomorrow. Well, TGIF now in my time. Happy Friday. And you already know. Much love. Giant hugs. I will respond to your DM after the stream is over. And I'll tell you all about that specific situation. And yeah, thank you once again, Eric. And we're gonna definitely look into more information about these plays on the Discord too tomorrow. Because I'm trying to make sure that my mother's light bill is not so expensive. I will not stream tomorrow. Like, maybe, I don't know. Should I? No, you know what? Maybe I should. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should. Thinking about it. I want to click on it. Eric with the shades, with the stunner shades for 99 cents. Thank you, fam. Much love to you, man. Look at this. Bam! We're gonna fall all the way down. Anda la porra. This looks sick, honestly. This definitely looks sick. It's looking like a fat, bear flag here. Look at this. Oh, shoot. There, look at that. Look at that right there. This is that flagpole there. And then another flagpole going down here. Need another alert at 5475. Another one at 5425 in that range. Going into next week. Let's see. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping it up here in just a few. I'm just gonna go ahead and check real quick what the price of GME is. 22.25, so it's still ranging. DJT from 1760 now at 1763 is also trying to pick up again as well. We discussed a good amount here. Wow, GDC. I didn't see GDC here, but GDC actually retested this high of 6 and change. Now it's back down to 575. Wow. Let's see. Oh my god, wait, what happened here? Wait, what? Where's Johnny? Oh shoot. No way. Oh wow, I gotta post this to Johnny. I did not even know that IVP actually ran today. And this thing dropped. Look, literally, this thing came down from. Look at this. Back in the beginning of July, it was around the same price range, and it actually went as high as 1605 here in July 18th. Then P and D back down to like 458, then coming back up to like $9, $10, and then selling off from there from the 1st of August till now. And it looks like now we just got some sort of a trigger here. Jesus, that is insane. I didn't even know that. I didn't even know IVP actually popped today. No. You know what? I will actually. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna day stream tomorrow, and then from there. I'm gonna. Okay, so I'll do the day stream, but there won't be a evening stream on Friday because we're gonna take a break, and then we're gonna have the rest of the weekend to relax, chill, enjoy. Hopefully the weather's good. Open a cold one, go somewhere, clear our minds from the market, and then get ready for Sunday evening when futures open back up again and see what surprises lie beneath next week. So that will be the plan. And now that I'm looking at IVP, I will set IVP. I'll watch IVP. Any tickers that you would like to suggest for me to actually put up on the stream to watch, let me know. As you know, I usually like to post up the SPY because we want to look at the overall market. Sometimes I'll post SQQQ in combination, and then other tickers as well. But I am actually surprised that this actually ran up here. COS. Oh, COS actually ran up 3.48%. Let's see, NEO went up 14.39%. I did not know that either. Oh, that's based on earnings. Peggy. Simba was just talking about Peggy. So Peggy also did a nice run there. 16.81%. Rocket Labs back down to $6. What else we got? We got some ran. Ooh, so Tesla actually ran back to 230. Hold on. Oh shoot. Oh, fishy. And Fishy was calling for 230 for a while, so Fishy was actually on point on this one too. Fishy takes that credit. And I also had the range here too as well. This long bar here for Tesla a while ago. I mean, look at this. Ain't that something? Wow. So any suggestions? Let me know. Maybe PDD. Clove. Clove was another one that I was watching for a bit. And suggestion of Craig, because Craig is in Clove. Looks like it's actually weakening just a little tiny bit here. Trying to reach back to 250. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have to figure this out later. Finger 206. XK 6%. I'm thinking here, I'm thinking. Looks like Bitcoin's picking up here. Let's see. Let's see. So you know what? I'll probably just have AMC, GME, FFIE, IVP, SPY, and one more ticker. I'm gonna have to think about it. You're gonna have to think about it, yeah. It's gotta be a ticker that's been talked about for a while. Oh no, just screw it. I'll just do DJT. All right, so DJT. So SPY, AMC, GME, IVP, DJT, FFIE, and SPY. Still thinking. Okay. Sounds like a plan. All right, y'all. It's midnight, 12:19, and we are going to say good night to everybody. Good night to everybody. To say good night to everybody. All right, so I'm gonna call it a night. Hold on the list. First, shout out to Eric, Simba, Travis, Duty Calls, Pam, shout out to you, Fishy, Jesse. Thank you all for contributing with memberships and super chats and showing the love. All the love is sent back at you 100 times more. Giant hugs, big hearts. You already know how it is. Native Gamer, Duty Calls, Jesse, Pam, Fishy, Eric G, Johnny, Kevin, Artist of Teals, Craig was on here earlier too. Benjamin, shout out to him. Tan, Cat. Cat's probably still sleeping or napping or probably done for the night. Carissa, shout out to Carissa. Shout out to Zelly. I haven't seen Zelly, but I'm pretty sure Zelly's still knocked out too. So shout out to her. And DH came through. So shout out to him. Simba. And I think I got Johnny too. Yeah, I got Johnny too as well. Pretty much giving recognition to everybody that always comes here to take the time out of their day, their night, to be here with me and to hang out in the stream. It means a lot to me. So thank you to everybody. And manifest or tomorrow, manifest more money coming in, and that you all have a successful trading session tomorrow. Just make sure that you know your limits, know your risks, play it safe, compound your gains. Travis, yes, I gave him a shout out to Travis. TP, shout out to TP as well. Incognito, shout out to him. Shout out to Incognito. Fortunately, there's a few that are missing that I haven't seen for a while, so shout out to them too as well. Yeah, so manifest, dream a sweet dream, dream big, dream of all the things that you wish for and to become reality. All put it out there in the universe, and it's all hope for the best, and that we will eventually get to the promised land all together. As long as we all are prepared, properly hedged. You already know the things that we usually discuss here in order to hedge against, the incoming correction, potentially, if and when it comes. And, yeah. Thank you. Shout out to you too as well, Pam. Big hearts. See it, believe it, receive it. Well said. Well said. See it, believe it, receive it. Manifest that. Put it out in the universe. And anything is possible. Anything is possible. So with that being said, thank you to everybody. Thank you. Have a I'm a sponge. Soft and squishy. And remember that anything that was being said here is just strictly in our opinion, not financial advice, for educational and learning purposes and entertainment purposes too as well. And let's all enjoy Friday tomorrow and have a good one. And sleep well. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next Lion's Den with yours truly, Line of All Trades. Oh my goodness. Oh, Zelly. Well, much love to Zelly. Roar in the chat for Zelly. I was not expecting you to like pop up as soon as I was just about to get off. You too, buddy. Thank you, Native Gamer. Shout out to you. Much love, man, and I'll see you in the stream tomorrow morning at the same time. It'll be around 8:30 in the morning Eastern time, and let's see what happens. But yeah, Zelly. I was not expecting that at all. I'm guessing you're just waking up right now. Love. Love, 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 love. And we'll see y'all too as well on the Discord as well for more talks. Alright guys. Take care. Have a good night.